Little Girls Dressmaking Course book is only for the frocks for the little girls. So this book content is with so many theory part of sewing and with the 5 types of frock and 2 type of skirt. You will learn so many things about sewing theory, color, garment details, about the sewing machine foots, different type of foots, name of the part of the sewing machine, how to maintain the sewing machine includes in theory part. If you have different type of foots, then how to use them. Basics of sewing with the hand stitches and seams, plackets, and so many things you will learn in the basic part. Garment fitting problem, theory about the fabric requirement of different type of garment and how the placing of the fabric as per the design or print, and learn with the drafting. And you can stitch them. Little Girls Dressmaking Course book is only for the frocks for the little girls.